Okay, so this app is great for practicing and reviewing your vocabulary. I'm just going to show you some of the most basic features. You can search in English or Chinese. So I search for white and we've learned 白色. What you can do is we're learning simplified Chinese. If you click here, it shows you the characters larger, and you can practice writing the characters if you press draw, and it's almost like you can trace over the characters. So this is great. It doesn't show you the stroke order, but at least it helps you with the shape of the characters. And you can do that as many times as you want. Erase, start again, and then press done when you're done. Then what you can do is you can save it, bookmark it into a folder. I've already got a colors folder, so I can save it here, and then you can find it, all the colors that you've saved here, and you can categorize all your words according to whatever folders you want, and then you can practice learning the words. So you have two options in study. Flashcards I found really useful at the very beginning. You can choose what content you want on the front and the back of the flashcards. This is just a standard one. And then you choose what folder you want to practice. If you have more, you can practice them all together, or you can just do one category and then begin. So you've got the Chinese character, then you need to think, what is this in English? And then just tap the flashcards, turn it over to check, and then you can see whether you're right or wrong. Do I know this character? Maybe I don't. Then I can press no, and what it will do is it will bring the ones that you didn't get right back up again, and you can see how many cards you've done, your score, and how many you got right. And then you can keep going, things you're not sure of. And you can do that with all your different categories. The other option you have is practicing writing. So again, choose your folder, press begin. Blue, we need to work out how to write blue. Here you can do, if you want, you can practice your pinyin. So we know that is 蓝色. And then you'll see that I've got 1 out of 1 right, 100%. And then the other thing that you can do is if you have the input where you can write it yourself, then you can practice actually writing the characters. And then see if you're right or wrong. And it will take you through all the words that you've got here until you're done. You can also press on answer there to show you the answer if you're not sure. That's it. Enjoy.